So in this video, we are going to go through the process of adding receiving fuel from our suppliers in the system. So we are assuming that we are going to receive fuel at our depot. After receiving fuel at our depot, we are going to have a storage facility for our fuel. And then after we receive our fuel, we are going to issue it to each truck. Though there are some scenarios where a truck is probably away from the depot, it can get fuel there. But in this case, we are going to deal with a scenario where we have got a reserve for fuel at our head office or at our headquarters. So we are going to receive that fuel from the supplier. So to receive fuel, you can just go to GRV to fuel, GRV fuel here. So I click on GRV fuel, and then I click on create purchase receipt, and then I enter my supplier. So let's say my supplier is Puma, and then Puma is not under my supplier list. I can just click on create supplier. So this is also a process of creating suppliers in the system. So I can just enter supplier group. I can just say local, then my supplier name. If I want to add other details, I can also add. But in this case, let me say I don't want to add any other details. I just want to do the supplier name in the supplier group. Then click save. Then my supplier name is now there. If I also want to backdate my dates, I can also backdate it from there. But in this case, we are not dealing with that. Then you can scroll down here. So if you scroll down here, you come and enter the product fuel. So we need to have the product fuel in our system. So in this case, we don't have fuel. I can say fuel diesel. That's the collect spelling for diesel, yeah, that one. So I've added fuel diesel and it's not appearing here. So I need to click on create item. So this is also the process of adding fuel into the system as a product. So I can go under item group there. I can enter the group name. I can say consumable. A normal consumable is already there by default in the system. Make sure that it's ticked here, and then you can click on save. So I've just added fuel, but the next time I'm going to receive fuel, it's already there in the system. I don't have to go through this whole process. So I come on quantity here. I enter the quantity that we have received. Let's say we have received 5,000 liters, and let me say 80,000 liters. Let's say we have received 80,000 liters. Rejected, you can just leave that column as it is. Rate here, I can enter maybe we received at $50 USD. Make sure I'm just dealing with USD currency here. You can deal with any currency that you want. After that, I can click enter. Let me delete this line that is blank. So I've received my 80,000 liters at $50, and my total is 120,000. I can click on save, and then I can click on submit. Do you want to submit permanently? I can just click yes there. So after that, it's now waiting to be built. You need to come and click on create here, then click on purchase invoice. So don't forget to do this process. So you click on purchase invoice, and after click on purchase invoice, it comes here. Then you click on save, then you click on submit, then you click on yes. So that is how we receive fuel. To check the fuel that we have in our system, just need to go to home. After going to home, then you want to view the fuel that we have in our stocks. So to view the fuel, you can just come here and go to stock. Then you can scroll down. This one you can just click on dismiss. Then click on it down here. Then you go to summary, stock summary. So here you can see we have got 80,000 under stock summary. So that's it for receiving stock in the system, receiving fuel.